What is up everybody, welcome to GysticTutorials. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can remove any background noise with Audacity. Let's get into it. Alright, so I've gone ahead and recorded a little clip. I have my aircon on so it will pick up a lot of the background noise. So yeah, you just want to select a bit of the sound that you want to cut out of the whole audio. The bigger the better, the larger the sample size, the more accurate the software can be. So after you've selected it, press effect, and then you want to go to noise reduction. First of all, you want to press get noise profile, which will get the noise that you have selected. After that, select the whole bit of the audio you want to remove the background noise from, and then go back to noise reduction, effect and noise reduction, and you want to go to noise reduction in decibels. I keep mine around 13 because it does the job with my fan. I found the job, so you need to play around with this. The higher you go, the more audio it will cut out, so it may affect your mic if you start to go up to like all the way to 30 and stuff. So I'm going to keep it at 13. Sensitivity I've always left at 6, and same with the frequency, I've always left that at 3. But you can go ahead and play around with it because each sound may be different. You want to pick what you want to do with the noise, reduce it or residue. To be honest, I don't know what residue does. I've just kept it on reduce. You can choose to preview it if you want, but I'm just going to go ahead and press OK, which will run the process. And now, as you can see, we have barely any background noise. There's still a little bit, so if we wanted to get rid of all of the background noise, we would have to go get a new noise profile and then select it again. And then just lower the noise reduction this time to like around 6 or something. And there we go. Now there's no background noise pretty much. So that is how you get rid of any background noise with Audacity. If this video helped you, please hit that like button. And if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button as well. And comment down below if you have any troubles. I will try my best to help you out. But if I can't get to your comment, I'm sure someone else will be able to help you. And that is it for today. Peace out.